Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will teach you guys on how to disable Windows updates. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. One of the most annoying thing in using Microsoft Windows, especially Windows 10, 11, is Windows updates. Now, the easiest way to disable the Windows update is to press the Window key and letter R from your keyboard. And then type services.msc in the Run dialog box. Click OK, and then let us wait for a while. It will display the services menu. Now here in the services menu, we move down, and then we go to Windows Update. Double click this one, and then we have here startup type manual. It's running. We click disable, and then we click stop. Okay, let us wait after the process will be done and finish. It takes a while for stopping the updates in Windows. In this tutorial video, I'm using Microsoft Windows 10 operating system. Okay, so we want to close now, and then click OK, apply, and then OK, and then we close here. Okay guys, so that's it. That's the simplest way to stop the Windows updates in Microsoft Windows 10 or Microsoft Windows operating system. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.